Are you putting in the hours at the gym, pushing yourself to the limit, but feeling constantly sore and seeing too little or absolutely no muscle growth? You feel like you should be progressing, but instead you just feel run down. You're not alone, and the problem isn't that you're not working hard enough. The real issue might be something you haven't considered, chronic stress, and it could be sabotaging all of your hard work. When we think of stress, we usually think about work deadlines or personal problems. But your body has its own definition of stress, and when it's under constant pressure, it releases a hormone called cortisol. In small doses, cortisol is fine, but high chronic level of this stress hormone are a disaster for your fitness goals. It's actively working against you, preventing muscle repair, and in some cases, even breaking down the existing muscle tissue you've been already working so hard to build. And therefore, you're essentially taking two steps forward in the gym and one big step back because of stress. Now, here's what's exactly happening inside your body. Exercise is a form of stress that breaks down muscle fibers. That's normal. The growth happens when your body repairs those fibers and builds them back together. But when you're chronically stressed, your body never gets to memo to start rebuilding. High cortisol levels keep you in a constant state of breakdown. It blocks the crucial growth signal your body needs to start the repair progress. So instead of building and growing, you're just sore, stuck in a cycle of breaking down without building back up. So where is all this stress actually coming from? It might be not what you think. One of the biggest culprits for people who work out, it's actually overtraining. You might think that a 90 minutes grueling session is the key to growth, but if it's unfocused and sloppy, you're likely just creating excessive stress on your body with no real benefit. A focus intense 45, I would say, minute workout can be far more effective for stimulating growth without sending your cortisol levels through the roof. Another major factor is poor sleep. If you're not getting enough high quality sleep, your body doesn't have a chance to recover. It sees that lack of recovery as the major stressor, and your cortisol levels stay elevated again, blocking muscle growth. By the way, if we didn't met, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a licensed IFBB coach, nutritionist, and super heavyweight competitor in the category over 100 kilograms. Welcome to my channel. Therefore, the final conclusion would be it's time to stop the cycle of just being sore and start seeing the results you want. The solution isn't necessary to train harder, but to train smarter and, of course, to live smarter. Focus just on lowering your overall stress, optimize your recovery by prioritizing sleep. Re-evaluate your training to ensure it's effective, not just exhausting. When you do that, you can finally switch your body out of the breakdown mode and into build mode. That's when you'll see all the muscle growth and strength gains you've been working for all along. Manage your stress and you'll finally unlock your growth. If this video helped you, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because my channel is brand new and this will really help me to grow so that I can give you much more high quality advices like this. Wish you all the best. God bless. Bye.